Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Pull&Bear promo code that helped me save a lot of money on my Pull&Bear order. And the best part is, it's completely free. How to get a Pull&Bear promo code. The process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, head over to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Pull&Bear. Click on the Pull&Bear result, scroll down, and you'll see the latest available Pull&Bear promo codes and discounts. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your promo code. Keep in mind that these promo codes are limited and exclusive, so you'll need to unlock your personal Pull&Bear promo code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you want the exact link and a full explanation, make sure to check the pinned comment below. I've explained everything there, including where and how to get your Pull&Bear promo code quickly.